Welcome guys, once again this is Engineer Waqas Ahmed. In today's series of Primavera P6, I'm going to share with you people after setting up Primavera P6 and after knowing EPS, OBS, make sure you have already watched all those tutorials. Today's video is concerning about setting up of WBS, work breakdown structure. Very important milestone to understand because as per project management we are supposed to break down our project into different kind of phases. So let me take you through Primavera P6 dashboard. Right now I am on this activities window. So how to open project WBS? I have to click on this header. There is one option given project. I will click in drop down window. You can find here WBS and further click on this WBS. A new window will open up which is going to provide me the opportunity to set up that project different kind of phases, to which we call in project management language work breakdown structure. So let's say my project is EPC project. There are different kind of phases. I can break down my project like engineering. So I can just make sure that I can click on this. Parallel to everything, I will be teaching you each and everything about this dashboard as well. So here is design phase. So, and if I can click on this one, I can add here procurement phase, because these are the important things. These are different kind of phases, procurement, and then there is construction phase, right? I can write, and you can see that there is one separator which can split these windows. On one side you can find there are different kind of columns which purely you can customize as per your requirement, and on the other side you can find timeline. You can make something like that. Later on we can understand that one as well. It is not enough yet. We have to break it down further level, because this is our first level of our project WBS. Further design can be splitted or broken down into further categories, like if I can add over here design, there can be a basic design, and there can be again the second thing, detailed design, right? This is something I'm going to establish. In procurement, as per industry understanding, there are different kind of procurement. Like if I need bulk items or long lead items, so I can further break down my procurement into bulk items, and I can break it down into long lead items. That is industry oriented understanding. And from my different kind of project scheduling, documentations, BOQs, I can find what I am supposed to build. So let's see, I'm supposed to divide construction phase into civil works, right? That is how I can set up all of these things. My mechanical works or MEP works, you can something like that. And further I can, if I want make level 3 WBS, I can add here substructure works, substructures, structural works, and here I can add one more time superstructural works. I know that I have made above their road construction project, and here I can add, in civil works, road construction as well, right? Road construction package. Okay, and I can move it up by these shifting arrows. You can see like this one. This is my substructural works, this is my superstructure, this is MEP works. So you can understand that this is now hierarchy. We can call it node format or parent child. This is the parent for everything. We can further divide this basic design into civil engineering designs, mechanical, fabricational designs, and the same things we can add it, load it inside the detailed designs. So within bulk items, we can load, our steel items, concrete items, soil, sand, long lead items. The items which are going to take extra time, more than 6 weeks, are going to be loaded inside this one, right? And then construction will be loaded. Same thing will be done, and this will be exclusive document which is called WBS. So while creation of WBS on Primavera P6, one thing might be possible you will be facing. If I'm going to switch this WBS into activities window, you can find that you can see every single level of WBS in different color. Design, procurement, construction is our first top level. It is in green color. Yellow level is our second level. Then, this is our third level. That's great. But in some certain cases, a lot of students, a lot of learners are going to face some problem, which I can just make sure how it is gonna be there, like on your window. If despite of creation of your WBS over here, you can't make visible your WBS inside your activities window, there is a big trouble, right? So how to make it troubleshooting? You have to click on this view, group and sort by. That is the first thing which is going to, you see, control your dashboard. This window will be there, and just click on here and WBS here. So this is going to control your activities window dashboard with the format of WBS apply, and everything will be visible over here. Now for better understanding, I will switch to one real-time WBS so that you can understand further features. And you can find here that is one sample WBS. That is how I have added all of those things. Under design, you can add your project document, deliverable register, feasibility. Under your detailed design, you can add civil structures. This is very comprehensive, complete real project WBS. That is how you can set up your complete WBS, right? But you need to understand certain things. If your WBS in this shape, like there is no hierarchy, there is no node format, right? So what you need to do, you need to click over here one time, and then second time it can reactivate your this hierarchy. This hierarchy is very important to make your WBS up, down, outward, inward, and these all shifting arrows you can find on your right hand side here. This is very important thing. With the help of these arrows, you can relocate your WBS. It is very important thing, right? And how you have to customize your WBS over here. And the first thing, you can see WBS detail. That is how your bottom layout window will be activated. Inside this window, you can click on general, and you can find here the people from OBS. Recently in my previous video, you can see that what kind of project managers are going to be deployed. So you can find out some manager from this, and you can assign for this certain piping drawings, who is responsible to report and all that. Your WBS name, your notebook, budget log, spending log, all of these informations, right? At the same time, how to customize this complete dashboard. Like if I can right click over here, I can go into the columns and customize what kind of information I need on this dashboard. I don't need this information, I don't need this one. I can just select these options, and I can move on to my left hand side, and you can see it's gone. And if I need anything out of this one, like duration, like anything, baseline project duration, something like that, apply, okay, and you can find project. See, everything is there, right? So that is how you are going to set up your WBS. It is very important feature within Primavera P6. Before signing up this video, if you want to learn these Primavera P6 with real project, oil and gas, EPC planning, and plant shutdown management oriented study with real project practice, you can enroll in my live online training. So see you in my next video. Thank you very much.